Right, in this video we are going to go through the process of putting our opening balances for our debtors and creditors, which is the accounts payable and our accounts receivable. So to do that, we go to transactions, then we go to accounts receivable, and then you click here on accounts receivable batches, and then here you click on new batch. Then under new batch here, you just click on OK, and then this new tab is opened, and then here you put the date that you want to put your opening balances as at. So in this case we are putting as at 4 January, and then module just leave it as AR, which is for account receivable. Then account, here you need to select the supplier that you are dealing with, so they will know the client that you are dealing with. So let me select James here, and then you come to transaction code here, you click on opening balance. Reference, you just need to put a number, maybe you can say 1001 is our reference number. Description, you can just put opening balance, and then you come here under debit, you put the opening balance as a debit balance. So let's say our opening balance was 100, I put $100 there. If you are also tracking projects, you can also put the project that you are dealing with there, and then you go to the next line. You can right click here to go to the next line and click new line, or you can just click tab key, the system will come to the new line. Here make sure you also put the date we are putting all our balances as at 1 January. Let's say you come here and you want to put your client, and your client you don't know, maybe the client name is not in the system. Let's say it's same struck, and same struck is not in the system. Here you just right click here and click on add new, and then you come to the customer name here. We now want to manually add the client into the system. So let's say the client's name is same struck, right? So I put same struck here. If I also want to put the client details like the address, I can come under contact details there. I put the contact person. I also put the phone number. Here the address, we can also put our address for the client. So it's number 967 Harare Drive, and then here I want to put Harare, Zimbabwe. Right. If you also want to put the text details like the TIN number, you can also put, but all these ones don't really matter. What really matters is the customer name here. After that, just click on OK, and then here it's saying invalid account number. Let me put SM001 as my account number, and then you click OK here. So you can see our client name is now there. Same struck. We put the code. We put the code for the client, which is always is balance, opening balance. And then description, you can just put 102 here as reference. Then here we are going to put opening balance again, opening balance, and then we put our debit opening balance again. If you're also checking project, I can also put the project. So that is what you do up until you finish your transactions. When there are too many, you can, maybe you want to save in the process later, you can just click on save. After that, you can click on post batch, and then when you click on post batch, the system is showing me that there's overtimes. I just want to click yes. Do you want to print batch? Yes. And then the system is going to print batch. Here click on preview, so you can see these are the transactions that we have done. Then you close there, and then close here. Are you sure I want to post? Yes. So it's now posting. So basically that's all. There click yes, then here just click on allocate all. There's nothing to allocate, so let me just close. So basically that's it for doing our opening balances for our account receivable.